Cowabunga Canyon.
Oh, I see it!
It is time.
Fries chicken!
Fries chicken, ice cream, Dippin Dots. Summer!
Closing it.
They're closing it? Look, it's raining. Thunderstorms and rain. Starting to pour. Ah!
We need to go.
'Cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love, we should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you.
All right, happy Thursday. Happy summer. Can I see you guys? Happy summer.
Hi!
Stella's ready. Where are we going, Stella?
Cowabunga Canyon.
Cowabunga Canyon. Are you mad about it?
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, our first time of the season. Going to Cowabunga Canyon. First time as a fam. We got the whole fam in tow and Kate. Hey, Kate.
Hey.
And it's gonna be a good time. So we're gonna take you guys along with us on all the rides. We got the GoPros in tow. Stella might be going her very first time on what?
Tornado.
Tornado. I don't know. We'll see if you're tall enough. I don't want you to fall out. But Dad said if she does, she'll be fine.
She'll be fine. She just slides down on her body slide.
I'll hold on very
You gotta hold on so tight.
Hey, but Incredicoaster just like
In Credicoaster, you're like buckled in. You're not buckled in at all on this tube. So you just have to hold on.
There's handles.
There's
But-
handles.
but
Handles ice cream.
But there's 48 inches. But I have to be like flat. You can't
Yeah.
be like.
I know. You can't cheat it like in Credicoaster with a little shoe to help, huh? So if not, then maybe at the end of the summer or next year we'll go for sure. So we'll check it out. If you're not tall enough, I'll go on a ride with you, okay?
Can we go? If I'm not tall enough, can we go on the picnic?
Yeah, I like that one.
Oh, I see it!
You see it?
I see it!
You guys excited? You remember the canyon?
I don't remember the
What's your
canyon.
favorite ride at the canyon?
Tornado.
Tornado that you've never done?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the only one I'm not tall enough for, which is the big blue slide.
Oh, what's that called again?
Wild surf.
Wild Surf.
Oh.
Yes. I think Libby did that for the first time last year, huh?
Yeah. I see peaky green. I remember the Cowabunga Bay, but I don't remember the canyon.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You gotta remember. Oh! You dying?
I'm good. Yeah.
Always are dying. See? Always coughing like that.
Fine. Thanks for your concern.
We're getting closer! Woo! There's the pink and green. Is that a favorite?
It's always a long line.
Look, it's not long at all. It just opened.
No, the bottom.
Oh, the bottom, yeah. We'll have to see.
Y'all guys have a great day.
Thanks. Cowabunga Canyon. Hey, there's no lines to get in. It's waiting for you. You ready?
Yeah.
You guys have a great day. Thanks. Where do we want to put our stuff?
Wave pool.
Wave pool?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go find a spot. Wave pool's over this way.
Uno, dos, tres.
Alright guys, we are here. It officially feels like summer. Cowabunga Canyon. We have our refill cups that we bought, and so the kids are gonna fill up their drinks, make sure we're nice and full, and then we'll get on some rides.
Yeah.
What's first?
Tornado. Tornado.
Stella wants tornado. What about you guys?
Green and pink. Green and pink.
Green and pink? Do we know if the lines are long over there? I don't think there's a line on tornado.
There isn't,
Green and pink is so long.
but it's on the other side.
Alright, here's the wave pool. We'll be chilling here for the day. Alright, Stella, moment of truth. We're gonna see if you're tall enough, okay?
Oh, bye.
You're good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Hey, she's tall enough. Should we do it? Me and Dad will take Stella on Tornado. Who wants to come with us on Tornado? Or you guys, you four want to do green and pink? Ty, you want to come with us on Tornado?
He actually does.
He does. Come with us, Ty! You guys want to just do Tornado? See Stella do it for the first time? Yeah! Woo, 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 woo. All right, it is time. Guys, Stella's first time. Me, Marcos, and Stella. Hopefully the three of us weigh enough because it's all about weight. And I think we will. And then the other four kids are gonna take another camera and take you along with us. Nervous? Okay, good. Allie's braces match her swimsuit perfect. And oh, I didn't even notice yours. Livy just got light pink and let me see the bottom.
Blue.
Light blue. I never even noticed that. She went yesterday. Looking good. Not bad lines at all. There they go. They're up first. Okay, we're next, Stella. Dad's got to carry it with his muscles, okay? You can help him. Hey. You ready?
So big.
Look at Dad's muscles, Stella. Can you do that? Look at Dad. Woo! Getting closer. See it?
Yeah.
Get ready?
Yeah. You think I'm gonna fall out?
Just gotta hold on real tight, okay? Don't let go for any reason. Scary at all?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, it's fun. What next?
I'm gonna do a colorful slide.
Hey, see us come down?
Yeah, I thought she was gonna fall through because she's barely like.
I know. Okay, what now?
Pink and green.
Pink and green. Okay, it's over there. Pink and green matches your swimsuit. Big kids are going together. They're going to take you along with them. You ready, Stella? This is like a mini tornado.
Yeah.
Huh. Ready?
If you have any lead articles, bye.
Have fun.
This is a good tube, so you.
Woo! Yeah, you did. What's next?
Racers!
Racers! Everyone ready for racers?
Yeah,
How was that one? Getting soaked today. We good?
Oh. Yeah. Woo, I won.
Is it fun?
Yeah!
Okay, what now? Kitty slides for Stella.
Punch!
Okay, Ty wants to go on the big steep one. So does Kate, yeah?
I don't want to.
Ty's going? You want to go? Or are you going to come with us?
I'm going with you.
You want to go on the big steep one?
No.
Do it!
Come on. I don't know. I don't like that one. Kitty slide!
Okay, have fun. Okay, do you guys want to go in the kiddie area where they do the big slides?
Yeah. Can we order
Okay,
food?
yeah, after they get back. Marcos, after that, come to the kiddie area. Okay.
Fries chicken!
Fries, chicken, ice cream, Dippin Dots.
Yeah. Summer! And don't forget the drinks and ketchup.
Don't you forget that, Stella. Okay, kiddie area, here we come.
I got this right there.
I know.
You might get some later.
Yeah, gotta go in the lazy river
I
too.
have money too, but I only have $6.
Okay. There's Ty, Hallie, Kate, and myself. Love this one. Go Ty. All right. Woo! 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 All right, there's Hallie up there on the pink. Yeah! Oh no.
Alright, you ready? Everybody's sitting right over
Live
there.
your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this side away.
That was the best slide I've ever done in my life.
Bodies move to the groove and the light to flicker. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter.
Hey, Lily's getting cold up up there. I'm not sure how. You're not? Hey, take them with you. Have fun.
I'm going on the little slides now. That was so fun. Not. I'm joking. It was the best. Let's go. Have some fun. Sorry, I went the wrong way. I'm gonna do one more.
All that I know is we'll get older. So let's dance this sideways.
That was the best. Hey, actually, can we do the green one with light?
Yeah, do the green one.
Well, the blue one has green lights and this.
Okay, Hallie went on the blue. Do you want to do, I think you should do the orange and purple. And then if there's no line, you could do it again.
Green.
Okay, you choose.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Lunch is served. Chicken and fries for everyone. Everyone's on rides, but we went and got the food, huh? Hey, eat up. Stella, how was that last ride? Was it fun? What color did you do? Green. Okay, what are we doing next after lunch? Oh yeah, let's do the ones we haven't done first.
But what about wave pool?
More wave pool, yep.
Lazy River. Those slides.
So the lines are getting a little bit longer, the clouds are coming, the wind is picking up. Hopefully a storm doesn't hit before we finish at the park because we still got 2 more hours before we got to take Hallie to dance. So we're gonna maybe divide and conquer and go on a few more rides. Kids wanna go on Tornado again before they hit some other ones, so just taking you along with us.
Closing it.
They're closing it? Look, it's raining. Oh, dang it. What do we do now? Do we wait it out? Ty wants to go on the ride, but they're closing everything, huh? Got rained out, guys. Do we wait it out or do we go? Uh-oh, here comes the wind. What should we do, Dad?
Wait it out. You gotta wait it out.
Thunderstorms and rain.
The water's like rising.
What do we do? What do we do? Should we call it? The waves are popping. Oh, there goes the wind again. What should we do? Should we go home or should we just stay?
Let's just wait it out.
Guys, I think we have to call it. I think they're gonna close the park, unfortunately. You see all that wind? So we got most of the rides done, but we're gonna come back next week maybe and we'll do the runs we didn't do. It's starting to pour. Ah! Uh-oh, we're gonna get rained out. At least we're in swimsuits. Okay, get your stuff. Kate and Hallie went to go get Dippin Dots and they're probably getting rained on right now. So we're gonna head home and it was a fun first Cowa day. Too bad we got rained out. Pack it up, pack it up. There's Hallie and Kate. I'm glad you made it alive. Did you get some Dippin Dots? They're gonna close. Oh, okay, nice. What kind did you get?
Cookie Monster.
What'd you get?
Banana split.
Banana split. Yeah, yeah. I know, bummer, huh? Okay, making a run for it before it starts pouring rain and lightning. Follow Dad, follow Dad. Don't